Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. Imagine you're working on a project and encounter a tricky situation with a drop-down menu that just won't position correctly on your screen. Frustrating, right? Well, that's the problem we're here to solve today. Now, let's talk about the solution. The key here lies in a specific piece of code that will help us get the position of the drop-down menu on the screen. By using the modifier .onGloballyPosition function, we can set the offset to the position on screen value. This step is crucial in ensuring that the drop-down menu appears where it should on the screen. Moving forward with the solution, we now focus on the rememberPositionProvider function. This function plays a vital role in calculating the position of the TooltipBox relative to the anchor bounds, window size, and pop-up content size. By customizing the pop-up position provider to consider these factors, we ensure a smooth and accurate positioning of the TooltipBox. Continuing with our solution journey, let's explore the TooltipTest function. This function, along with the accompanying Composables, helps us implement the desired behavior for the TooltipImage in our interface. By leveraging the rememberPositionProvider and other components, we can create a visually appealing and user-friendly tooltip experience. To wrap things up, we covered a range of key concepts and code snippets to address the positioning issue of drop-down menus in your app. By implementing these solutions, you can enhance the user experience and ensure that tooltips and menus are displayed correctly on the screen. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay curious and keep coding.